Welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. Today we're making an easy chocolate cake using organic ingredients and adding collagen protein icing because we don't want an empty calorie dessert. Ingredients are 1 3/4 cups unbleached white baker's flour, 2 cups erythritol, white or brown it doesn't matter, 3/4 of a cup cacao powder, a sprinkle of sea salt, 3/4 of a tablespoon baking powder, 3/4 of a tablespoon baking soda, 1 cup full fat unhomogenized milk, 2 large eggs, half a cup of olive oil, 3/4 of a tablespoon pure vanilla extract, and 1 cup of boiling water. Make the chocolate cake. Step 1. Gather the ingredients, then preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Butter and flour a 9-inch cake pan. The cake will release better if the bottom of the pan is lined with a circle of parchment paper, which I forgot to do. Hopefully it's not a problem once the cake cools and I release the cake pan hinge, since I generously lathered the cake pan with heaps of butter and flour. Step 3. In your dough mixer bowl, sift the flour, erythritol and cacao powder, sea salt, baking powder and baking soda. And turn it on for a bit to combine everything. Step 4. In the same mixing bowl, make a small well in the center and add milk, eggs, oil and vanilla and turn it on low to combine. Now grab an empty clean measuring cup, run the hot water for a bit, fill it up, then whisk it in on low. I was hesitant adding the water because the cake mixture was loose enough, but you should be able to pour the cake batter into the cake tray, so don't skip this step. It's to further loosen the batter so it's pourable. The cake should be this consistency. Step 5. Grab a small spoon to scrape the edges of the mixer attachment, then remove it and pour the contents of the dough mixer bowl into the prepared cake tray. Step 6. Transfer to the oven, setting the alarm for 30 minutes. Step 7. When the alarm goes off, transfer it using baker's gloves to the wire rack, then stick a skewer or toothpick in the center. If it comes out clean, it's done. Do not remove from the cake tin yet until the cake has enough time to cool down. Note, 30 minutes may be too long. As you can see, I slightly overbaked mine, but the damage is minimal. It's still quite soft and fluffy, but you should check on yours at the 25-minute mark. While the chocolate cake cools, let's prepare the buttercream icing. You have the option of adding collagen protein flavor of choice. I'll be adding vanilla to mine. Step 1. Place 1 stick of butter, then 1 tub of cream, 1 cup erythritol, half a cup of vanilla collagen protein or whichever flavor you desire, 3/4 of a cup cacao powder, 3/4 of a tablespoon vanilla extract, and a sprinkle of salt. Step 2. Turn on the dough mixer on low speed to start. The cacao dust will go everywhere otherwise. Then, when it combines, turn it up a bit and wait until the mixture is smooth enough to spread on the cake. Step 3. Clean the mixer attachment best you can by removing any excess icing. Then get any cream that's stuck to the sides of the bowl. Step 4. Once the cake is cool enough, place it on a display stand that turns and cover the top and the sides with frosting. This took me a while, but I eventually got there. Keep lathering the cake until you run out of buttercream. When you're done, refrigerate the cake so the icing hardens. It smells so chocolatey, and at least we have organic ingredients, plus collagen protein, so it's a nice dessert after a long fast or a big meal. Serve and enjoy, and be seeing you.